Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to quickly get access to Do Not Disturb. Let's just use the upper bar right here. Let's do it twice. Here you can find Do Not Disturb icon right here. Let's tap it. As you can see, here we've got the information about Do Not Disturb. So in Do Not Disturb mode, you'll receive calls from only allowed contacts. All other calls will be rejected. And here we've got other info. Let me tap turn on. As you can see, this is the icon of Do Not Disturb, so it means that this mode is activated. You can also find the settings with Do Not Disturb, so let's choose the settings. Here you need to find and select sound. Let's scroll down. So you have to go back. And let's select the Do Not Disturb under Privacy and Security. So let's here tap Do Not Disturb, and here you can handle with scheduled. So you can enable, for example, automatically switch on Do Not Disturb every weekend, every weeknight, or every other rules. You can allow some contacts that can be allowed in the Do Not Disturb. You can also handle with repeat callers. And if you would like to disable this mode, you can also do it right here. That's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.